Top 10 cryptocurrencies that could explode soon. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility and rapid growth potential. While many investors seek the next big opportunity, some cryptocurrencies show particular promise due to unique technology, utility, or market trends. Below are 10 cryptocurrencies that could potentially experience significant growth in the near future. Ethereum, ETH. Beyond being a cryptocurrency, Ethereum offers a robust platform for decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. Its transition to Ethereum 2.0 aims to enhance scalability and reduce energy consumption, positioning it for further adoption. Solana, SOL. Known for its high throughput and low transaction fees, Solana has gained traction as a formidable platform for DeFi projects and NFTs. Its ability to process thousands of transactions per second has attracted developers, suggesting strong future growth. Polkadot's interoperability framework allows different blockchains to communicate and work together seamlessly. This innovative approach to scalability and collaboration could place it at the forefront of the blockchain ecosystem. Cardano, ADA. Cardano emphasizes a research-driven approach to development, focusing on scalability and security. Its ongoing upgrades and strong community support position it as a contender in the smart contract space. Chainlink. As a leader in decentralized oracles, Chainlink facilitates smart contracts to access real-world data. Its essential role in connecting blockchains with external information could drive significant adoption across multiple sectors. Avalanche, AVAX. Avalanche offers an efficient platform for dApps with its unique consensus model, providing near-instant transaction finality. Its growing ecosystem and partnerships indicate a promising trajectory moving forward. Terra, Luna. Terra's focus on stablecoins and its unique algorithmic model for maintaining their peg demonstrate its potential in the evolving landscape of digital currencies. Its robust use cases could appeal to a wider audience. Ripple, XRP. Although facing regulatory challenges, Ripple's technology for cross-border payments remains a strong selling point. If resolved favorably, its partnerships with financial institutions may catalyze significant advantages. Polygon, Matic. As a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, Polygon enhances transaction speed and reduces costs. Its growing utility within the Ethereum ecosystem and partnerships with major brands hint at strong future growth. Sandbox, Sand. As a leader in the metaverse space, Sandbox combines gaming with blockchain technology, allowing users to create, own, and monetize virtual assets. Its user engagement and partnerships in the gaming industry could result in exponential growth. In conclusion, while the cryptocurrency market presents inherent risks, these 10 cryptocurrencies exhibit characteristics and developments that suggest they may experience significant growth soon. Investors should conduct thorough research and consider market trends before making investment decisions.